Now, we've come to a bit that's very peaceful because I can't hear any running water at all here. Water is actually very important for cave formation, and that's a theme that you've probably noticed throughout the whole of this series. The whole of this series was shot in the same place, in Castleton, which is a small village. Now, millions of years ago, Castleton was actually underwater. It was entirely ocean. Now, how is limestone formed? Because all of these caves are made from limestone, right? Now, crustaceans in the water that live and die millions of years ago, they all got compacted as they died, and the shells of the crustacean got so compacted they actually turned into rock, just not through magic, just from the sheer weight of the ocean pushing down on the floor, all of that silt, all of those crustaceans, one by one, over millions of years, creating rock over time. Now, this rock is called limestone. Now, here's the thing. Limestone is abrasive. Water abrases limestone. It's the CO2 that's in the water that slowly, over time, as the water runs through onto the rock, slowly cuts away at it, bit by bit by bit. So therefore, wherever you get limestone, you tend to get caves like this. So this area in the Peak District is limestone rich, which means it's chock-a-block with caves, and that's why I love this area so much. And if you ever actually want to see me, I'll be right here in the Peak District.
So guys, take a look at what we've got here. Now, I didn't anticipate this at all, but we have a perfect example of how water is shaping this cave. Look, it's practically running down in front of us, creating this beautiful stream. But we have these big troughs of water right here. Now this is going to create pressure. All this build-up of water is going to weigh down the limestone and abrade it over and over again, until you get these big troughs of water. So you get this beautiful cut limestone, completely cut by water. And that's the CO2 in the water abrasing that limestone. So where does the CO2 come from? Well, a lot of it comes from the fields outside. So on the fields, there's this thing called topsoil, which is literally the top of the soil, right, of the earth. And that holds a lot of CO2. So when it rains, there's already CO2 in the rain, but the water will collect from that CO2 topsoil as well, and then it runs into the cave, cutting through the limestone like a simple knife. It's beautiful and effective, and this is how caves are made.